We'll guide you through how to mute emails in Gmail so you can keep your inbox tidy without missing important messages. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Gmail on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to your inbox and find the conversation you want to mute. Click on the checkbox next to the email thread to select it. Now, look for the More button at the top of the page. It's usually represented by 3 vertical dots. Click it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to choose Mute. This action will move the conversation out of your inbox and into the All Mail folder, ensuring you no longer receive notifications for it. Don't worry, it won't delete the emails, so you can still access them later. If you ever need to unmute the conversation, go into All Mail, find the muted thread, and click the More button again to select Unmute. This will bring the conversation back to your inbox, and you'll start receiving notifications for it once more. Muting emails is a great way to manage conversations that aren't urgent but still important. It keeps your inbox cleaner without losing track of the messages. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.